Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 965 and I'm gonna show you how to change the goal for the steps, climbed floors and the intensity minute training basically. Before we start, if you want to change the goals, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the home page, and here tap on more to open the menu and then select activities. And now scroll down, and as you can see we have steps, floors and intensity minutes. First let's tap on steps. Here we have our goals for the steps, 7,000 steps, and we can edit it by tapping on more options icon in the top right corner, tapping on edit goal, and here we can change the goal by simply typing it in and tapping on save, and the goal should be changed. Then we can go back, tap on floors, and here we can change the goal for the floors climbed. We can tap on edit goal and then save it. And finally we have the intensity minutes. We can tap on more options icon, edit goal, and change it to something we like and tap on save. And once you update your settings, you can go back to the home page, sync the phone with your watch by tapping on this icon, and once you sync them, the goals should be updated on your watch. So if you open the glances, the steps should be updated, and there's no floors climbed glance here, but I believe if it was here, it will be also updated. Okay, and once we're done, we can close the application, and that's how you edit the goals on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.